Hey guys, and welcome to today's crochet video. In this video I would like to show you how to make the heavy ball from Pokemon. Now this one works up really quick, and just like before I'm going to ask you to nip over to my Pokeball video and recreate it, but in grey, because I'm going to show you how to do these lumps and bumps and sew them on. So if you don't mind just nipping over there and recreating it in grey, nip back here and we'll move on. Okay, so I'm going to start by making the two larger lumps. So what I'm going to do is take up some nice dark blue yarn, and we're going to start with making a magic ring with 6 stitches in it. There we go, so round 1 we're going to increase all the way around, which will give us 12 stitches in this round. So for round 2 we're going to single crochet and then increase all the way around, which will leave us with a total of 18 stitches in this round. And I'm just going to finish off with a nice slip stitch that'll just help it keep nice and flush when we're going to sew it on. So I'll snip that off, give myself a nice long tail as I use this to sew it on. And now we'll make the smaller one. So to start with, we're just going to make a magic ring with 8 stitches, and then round 1 will be single crochet all the way around with a total of 8 stitches in it. So again, that's magic ring 8, and then round 1 is just single crochet all the way around. And again, I'm just going to slip stitch after my 8th single crochet just to finish it off. Next I'm going to poke my hook through the hole, pull it through, pull it tight and tie a knot, and do the same on the large spot. So I'll just ask you to pause the video now and come back when you've made 2 of each of these. So now we've got both of the small ones and both of the large ones. We're going to take up the shell and figure out where we need to pin them. So the small ones are just about 1 stitch above the button, and then the big ones are about 1 stitch behind that and pretty much on the band. So we'll take up a bunch of pins and line them up. Okay, I'm pretty happy with this placement, I think. So what is optional is to take up a piece of stuffing, and as we sew these big ones on, just before we finish sewing them on, so when we get to about here, is to poke a bit of stuffing underneath, just to give it that bit of a bulk. So let's go on to sewing. Of course, we're going to use our trusty darning needle. And there we go, all nicely sewn on. I decided to put a bit more stuffing into these ones compared to my last one. I think that's turned out a lot better. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And of course, these scraps are destined to fill some worry pets, you know. Waste not, want not. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you've enjoyed learning how to make this heavy ball. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Also, feel free to share, just help spread that crafty love and make the world a slightly craftier place. One video at a time, eh? Haha. Anyway, thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.